So let's talk about the while loops. With the while loop, we can execute a set of statements as long as a condition is true. And the syntax of the while loop goes as while condition followed by the body of the while loop. So semantically, the body of the loop executes repeatedly as long as the condition remains true. When the condition is false, the loop terminates. And in most cases, an index variable such as I might be needed to keep track of the loop count and then use it to determine when the loop should end. So let's see an example. So here we have a while loop that counts from 0 up to 10. So set the index variable I to 0 while I is less than 10, print I, and then increase I by 1. Okay, so this code has the same output as the following for loop for I in range 10 and print I. And notice that for loop takes care of the indexing for us, whereas in while loop we have to manually create an indexing variable. So let's see this in the editor. All right, so let's see some while loop examples. So I'm going to set an integer variable I to 0, and then I'll say while I is less than 5, and print I. Okay. A common mistake with while loop is forgetting to increase the index variable. So I have to say I is I plus 1. So if we run this, we'll see something like values from 0 to 4 printed. Okay. And you can also change this to print something else. You can say I, comma, and put something else in here. So one pass, and then it will tell you which passes you're in with this loop. Okay.